Hi there, Jeannie. Thanks for opting into the instructor critique. I hope you're feeling better. I saw you said you weren't feeling well. Um, I already left you some written feedback just as part of the assignment. I didn't see that you'd opt in until a few minutes ago, so you snuck it in there. Okay, so I'll just articulate what I wrote, and it might be easier to explain anyway. All right, so your images, I'm assuming you took both of these. They look good. I especially like this one with how thick you made kind of the gutter between where your image ends and where your writing begins. It looks super clean and crisp, and I really like that. One thing I just noticed, watch your subtitles. This is a different style. It looks like it's a serif that's been bolded compared to this one, which just looks like it's a normal sans serif here. I would remove the numbers actually. Oh wait, second, third campfire phase. Okay, I gotcha. All right, it's fine. You could leave the numbers in. I usually recommend not doing that, but it's like explicitly said in the paragraph, so that's all right. I would take off the stroke around the shape. Anytime you add a stroke to a shape, it's instantly going to date your design. It's going to start to feel more like 1980s newsletter as opposed to clean, modern, crisp, and allowing your eye to visually flow. Whenever you have a black line, your eye just gets stuck and follows it up as opposed to powering through to the shape, which is the goal. I would also increase the gutters in between. These are a little too close, and remove these footnote numbers that you have here. We don't need those for our purposes. It's a little detracting. Um, this is not a complete sentence. I don't know where it is going, or where the rest of it went, but make sure this is a complete sentence. And then I would increase the gutter here to see how close the edge of this is to here. It's going to be difficult for people to really in their brain realize this is a totally separate thing when they're reading across. All right. In terms of your design here, I think it is creative. I'm on the fence whether I actually like it or not, because the letters get so close and it's kind of arbitrary how they're formed. And so I know it kind of looks like the effect of looking through a campfire. So I'm not going to say don't do it. I'm just personally on the fence whether I would make that choice. But if you love it, then go ahead and keep it. It's fine. Make sure the alignment here is good. Make sure this is a full bleed off the edge of the page, as is this shape. So they perfectly line up. See how it looks a little bit like they're off here. All right. Let me see if there's anything else I mentioned. You're off to a good start. I might increase the size of these a little bit. I think that would help it look a little bit more impactful having this bold. But honestly, you're off to a really great start. There isn't that many things to change, just kind of tidying up what you do have, increasing a little bit of the white space between those paragraphs. Okay, so keep up the good work. You're off to a great start. Thanks, Jeannie.